I want to mukbang. This is a bread, banana, moringa with toppings of chocolate. I call this is like a cake, but like a long bread. Yeah, this is a long bread, like a slice bread, like that. Then I have one slice. This one, oh, so fluffy inside. I have a hot milk. This is a good partner. Thanks God for the food. Then this is the bread, like a cake. Wow! Like a cake. Yeah. This is like a so yummy. Then I put the butter. Put the butter. Like a pancake. Yummy. I think I put a margarine. This one a margarine. I think this is the best. Wow. Then margarine. Ito lang sa margarine. It's a very good taste. Margarine. Then I put a little amount of sugar. I want to put sugar. This one. Wow! Like cake. Delicious. Yummy. This is like a cake. Pancake. Perfect. This is so made. Very healthy. Because I put a banana and then the color, why the color like green? Because I put a moringa leaves. If you like this recipe, you want to visit my Facebook page and then my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of recipe, and then I have if you buy something, please visit my TikTok shop, enjoy shopping, click the one of my video, then go to shopping, guys. Thank you sa mga nanonood ng aking mga videos din at nag-share sa aking Facebook page. Maraming salamat. At shoutout din sa aking mga members at saka sa aking mga super chatter, sa aking mga nag-share ng kanilang mga blessing. Thank you. God bless all us. I really like this. Like a bread, but it tastes like a pancake, you know. I put a margarine, then little amount of sugar. If you not to put sweet or sugar, it's okay. But extra taste like a very good. Very good. Now, perfect. It's a perfect. It's a perfect. Nice meron ko yung banana. The texture is fluffy. Smooth. I put a margarine. Very good. Perfect combination of hot milk. Yummy. Enjoy this recipe, guys. This is banana moringa bread. It's like cake, pancake. Or very good. So yummy. Bye guys, thank you for watching.